Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy, and I'm back. I've got an unboxing video for you today because this is an announcement. I have exciting news. This is a collaboration that I'm going to be doing with Surebonder, and I'm going to be doing it hopefully for quite a while. And they sent me a huge box of goodies that I thought would be fun to open on camera with you guys and share with you some of the products that they've sent me. I have no idea what's in this box. I did go ahead and kind of pre-slit it so, you know, you wouldn't have to sit through that, and also so I wouldn't risk like cutting my finger off. And I thought it would be fun just to share with you guys what's going to be in here. And I'd love to hear from some of you guys in the comments on what you think I could make with some of this stuff. Now, if you're not familiar with Surebonder, definitely go to surebonder.com and check them out. But before we get into the unboxing, of course, I want to say thank you to my long-term subscribers, my friends. I call you guys my OGs. I really appreciate you guys. You're my, long-term buddies, and I really appreciate it and love your comments and getting to know you guys. A lot of you are brand new. We had a nice spike over the weekend with the collab and the Friends Hop I did with Heidi's Humble's channel. If you haven't checked that out, I'll definitely link that below. But a lot of you guys are new and checking out the channel for the first time, so for that, I appreciate you as well. And, if YouTube happened to recommend this video to you, thank you, YouTube. And hopefully you'll stick around and subscribe to the channel as well. All right, let's get into the unboxing because I'm super excited. I just got back from Thanksgiving, and this was sitting on the front porch. I'm glad nobody stole it. And it has some stuff in it. Oh my gosh. It has a big piece of cardboard to prevent me from cutting through the box, which was probably a good thing. And holy cow. Wow, I didn't expect this much stuff. All right, so the first thing I'm going to share with you is a Surebonder Ultra full-size glue gun. That I'm very, very excited about. That's going to be super cool. Oh, wow. I just noticed something. I wonder if, oh gosh. Oh, wow. Okay. It looks like on this, there's interchangeable nozzles. I don't know. Maybe they're in there. But anyway, I got a new glue gun. So I don't burn the heck out of my hand like I did. You guys probably saw it in my last video. I'm sorry I didn't cover it up. I got some messages from some people. All right, what is this? A glue gun. Oh, that's cool. A glue gun silicone pad to catch the drips. How cool is that? And this kind of looks... Oh my goodness. Check it out. I can't balance this box on my lap. And that is huge. That is a mat that I can work on, that I can do all kinds of projects on and not have to worry about glue drops. I was going to say glue clips. Glue drops on my workstation. That's really cool. Wow, okay, what is this? A cray pen, a colored wax painting tool. Oh, look at that. I think it's like you know how you'd melt crayons and do stuff with those? And I've melted crayons and done artwork with them before, but I think that's the same type of concept. Oh yeah, it is. Build layers of vibrant colors to achieve effects on oil painting that dry. Oh, wow, oh, this is going to be fun. You can use this on glass, wood, metal, paper, plastic, and you can blend the colors. So check that out. And then look, these must be, oh yeah, it says, I was going to say these must be the palettes, but it says color palettes. So check out all those bright, vibrant colors. How cool are those? So I think maybe I have to read the directions, but my guess is you probably dip this into that color and get the color on your canvas. That's gonna be fun. Ooh, maybe I could do something for Christmas with that. I'm stoked about that. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Okay. I have another glue gun. Shut up. Y'all, it's a battery. See that? It's a, make sure that says battery. It does. It is a battery operated glue gun. Like, what? And it looks like it has a charging cord on it. It does. Holy, I almost said a bad word. It has a USB port on it. It has a USB port on it. It's like a charging glue gun, I bet. It's a cordless glue gun. I've never had a cordless glue gun before. I'm sorry, I'm going way too slow. So a cordless glue gun. Oh, wow. Oh, another one. Wait, what is... So this is a high temp glue gun. And then I got this one that comes in this amazing stand. That is also another glue gun. It's cordless. Oh, and it's a detail. It's got the fine detail head on it. That is really cool. Y'all, my whole like scheme in here is gonna have to incorporate neon green now. Oh, and then I think I see what they did. Okay. And then, oh wait. Oh yeah. Those are the interchangeable tips that I was telling you about for that, the first glue gun. So that's cool. It looks like I can do a large round nozzle. There's a flat nozzle. There's a small round. And then there's a nozzle adapter. That is really cool. And then there's a bunch of just... Oh no, there's something else. What in the world? They have a staple gun. I didn't know Surebonder had a staple gun. I got a staple gun and staples. That is really cool. And it's the Trigger Fire, the easiest staple gun you'll ever use. Trigger stapling, adjusting dry flash. Wow. And they sent 720 staples. So that is really cool. I'll tell you guys after this video, too, how this collaboration came to be. If you are watching any of my Crafty Chit Chat shows, that's a squeaky chair I'm sitting in, then you probably have heard several people say this. And I took their advice and I did it. All right, so I've got a bunch of different glue in here. And I think that's probably why I have 3 different glue guns. Because there is a Surebonder long, like they're long, but they're for the mini glue guns. And so that would definitely fit in either one of those. But then there's some more of the, wow, I have so much glue. Then there's some more of those. But then it looks like this one is for jewelry. Check it out. So if you have to repair jewelry or put something together, that is Surebonder's jewelry stick. So I can like devote my different glue guns to different stuff. And then it looks like there's some more mini glue sticks just in the regular formula, which is going to be amazing. I can use that with my portable one. And then, oh, this is cool. And then Surebonder also makes a fabric glue, but it's in the glue gun. See that? So I can put fabric glue in the glue gun. Think about all those Dollar Tree pillows we're doing. And then there is a color stick in Surebonder. I assume it's going to be regular glue, but it's in different colors. So you can match it up. Like it's got the neon green, it's got pink, it's got white, it looks like it's got black, it's got a teal color. So again, I can match this up probably with something I'm working on. That could be fun. And then, oh, a glitter stick. So Surebonder is also making some glitter glue. And that's really cool. That would be fun for the holidays for sure. And then I'm going to try and grab some light packages because there's a lot in here. Oh, a glow stick. Glow stick formula. I wonder if it glows in the dark. How fun could that be for Halloween stuff? Or Christmas stuff. Hello, we got to figure that out. Another fabric stick. I'm trying to go faster. More, excuse me, more fabric glue, but this time it's in black, which is great. More glow sticks. How fun are those? And then let's see what else we've got in here. Oh! They make wood glue. And it's in the stick formula. Surebonder wood stick. And it looks like it's the larger size stick too. You know those suckers will come in handy. I'm gonna have one glue and then there's another package of the wood stick. I'm gonna have a whole glue gun, like, I'm gonna have to reconfigure everything just to line up glue guns. More fabric stick. Looks like more clear stick, which is great. And those looks like the larger sticks too, yep. Or no, those are smaller ones. Gosh. More color stick and more glitter stick glue. And then we've also got some more fabric as well. And it looks like there's a lot of jewelry stick. There's glow stick. There's fabric stick. There is more color stick. There's some more glitter stick. And also more glitter stick. So that's awesome. I have plenty of glue gun and I still have a very squeaky chair. And that is amazing. Like, I've got so much Surebonder product to work with. And what's really cool is that I could devote one gun to my wood. I'll probably have to label them. One to fabric. I could do one for miscellaneous. I've got a rechargeable one, like a battery operated one. It looks like it's got a USB port. I don't know. I assume it's rechargeable. And like these great pads that's not going to mess up my work surface. Like, I'm pretty excited about this. Now, if you've watched any episodes of the Crafty Chit Chat show, you know that, which by the way is coming back. It's coming back in January. And we have been interviewing some amazing crafters over the last several months. And a lot of those crafters, in particular the Crafty Lumberjacks, I think, said it. And then I also think the Daily DIYer, Shannon, said it. But, you know, they say that if you have a channel and you want to work with some of these brands and some of these products that you like, reach out to them, ask, see what happens. And that's honestly what I did with Surebonder. I reached out to them and said, hey, I love some of your products. I look at your products on your website, which is surebonder.com, by the way. And I'd love to work with you. They looked at my videos. They looked at my channel. They sent me a whole box of stuff. Like, it's that easy. Now, I'm not getting paid for any of these yet, and that's fine because, hello, look how much stuff I got. But this is how you build relationships, and this is how you continue to build your channel. And I'm super excited. Now, I would love to hear from you guys what I could use that glow stick glue for. I would love to hear from you what you think I could use that glitter stick with. I have some ideas for the fabric stick already, but that would be amazing. And of course, the all-purpose is going to come in handy. The wood glue is going to come in real handy. I think they only sent me a couple packages of that. I wish that I had more of that. But hey, I'm excited. So this is going to be a quick video, but that's Surebonder. That's going to be, I'm excited. We're going to be working together on a lot of projects in the next month that's remaining in 2020. And then hopefully we'll be working together on some projects in 2021 together as well. So, all right, guys, take care. And I'm working on some DIY videos for you right now. So more to come soon. Thanks, Surebonder.